Alright, in this video we're going to take a look at this screen here, and we're going to copy this formatting into our Word document. So I'm going to grab the text first, and we'll just copy that into our Word document. So there's two things that we want to look at. We want to look at adding this picture, which I've already clipped out, and then we want to look at how to do this this kind of indentation stuff. So let's look at the indentation stuff first. So let's first fix the font. So it looks like it's kind of a, I don't know, computery kind of font here. So we're going to change the font, and probably you already know how to deal with fonts, but you just basically pick one that looks like, looks like the one that you want it to look like. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time on it, so let's just pick that one. And then it looks like we have lowercase over here and capitals, everything capital. So it looks like they put the all caps on. And so in our font tab, we have, well, it doesn't appear here, so we're going to go and get the dialog box for fonts. And in here, there should be one. So there's different effects that you can see here. Strike through will make it like crossed out, you see. Double strike through, superscript, subscript, okay. The one that we want is all caps. It's right here, all caps. And that should turn it all into capitals, and so it did. Okay, now basically we want this text to kind of go into the middle. You see how over here it's in the middle? And so there's a few, well, I guess there's kind of two ways we can do this. So we highlight the ones that we want to go in the middle, and the way that we indent, so basically we're playing with the indentations here. We indent by hitting tab. And so if I have all these selected and I hit the tab, it will indent it. And if I hit the tab again, it will indent again. Tab, 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 okay? And I can, if I've gone too far, I can go backwards. To go backwards, we go Shift Tab, Shift, holding down the Shift key right now, and then I'm going to click Tab, 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 Tab. Okay? That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is to select this and then go into our paragraph. And once we're in paragraph, we can go to our indentation is up here, and we can indent, or it's gone too far. Okay, so that is another way that we can actually do it. And we can actually go into this dialog box, and we can actually indent also from the right hand side. So right now I've indented from the left 1 inch, but I could also indent from the right. My text is too short for you to really see it, but if I indent from the right, then well, let's do it. Let's do it maybe with this paragraph here. Okay. So right now it goes all the way to the edge of the right. But if I go indent paragraph, okay, indent from the right, okay, we can see that there is now empty space here. This is where the indent happened, going to the making an empty space on the right hand side of the page. So we'll undo that one. And so this is pretty good, maybe like that. And we can do the same here. Tab, 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 and that is indented as well. Okay, next we want to add this picture, this message contact plus content plus public key plus digital signature thing. I actually clipped out this picture, and so we're going to go insert. Actually, we need to put our mouse cursor where it is at. So that will be right here. We make some space for it, and we go insert, and then we go pictures. We have different options. I happen to save this picture on my computer, so that's this device, and there it is. You can navigate to it from here, and there it is. Okay, it looks maybe a little bit too big, so I'm going to shrink it. So to shrink it, I mean, you just grab these handles. It's like anything else, right? We want to center this probably. So we go to our center alignment, and it's now centered. There is some options here. Actually, if we go up to the top picture format, this will give us some picture options, so we can crop it. Say I didn't want the right side, I can just grab the handle and boom, the right side is gone. Okay, so that's crop. I'll just undo that. And picture format again. There's the resize. What else do we have here? There's some minor kind of Photoshoppy type things here to do the color and stuff. But what you might find useful is the arrange. So there's different ways that you can wrap the text, or that you can incorporate the text, the picture, sorry, into the text. It's a bit hard to see because my picture is white and the background is white. So let me just grab another random picture and we'll just insert it kind of into the middle of here, into the middle of this paragraph. Make it bigger so you can see. Let's just grab another picture. We'll go insert picture again. This time we can get from, I don't know, online pictures. Okay, say I want this picture of a fish or something. Sure, how about this one? Insert. Okay, so there's my fish. Okay, it's too big. Make it smaller. Oh, if we hit the shift, it will preserve the proportions of that picture so it doesn't become like a super, skinny fish or something. We don't want that. We want it to look like a fish, but we just want it way smaller, like that. Okay, so right now, it's kind of in the middle of, let's even make it like it's in the middle of this word, right? It's in the middle of the word thus. So there's different things that we can do to change that if we don't want that. So here's the different layout options. Right now it's inline with text. We can change it to this one, which means it's kind of the paragraph goes like around it, kind of. This one here is on top of the paragraph, I believe. No, won't do it. Ah, there. So this is just like literally on top of the text, so you can't see the text. You could put it behind the text as well, right? So now, the text is on top of the picture. It's a bit hard to see because, the picture is kind of dark and the text is kind of dark. But if we, for example, selected the picture, select the picture, and we change our picture to be like, lighter with this tool, maybe something like this. Yeah. So now you can see that those words are in fact kind of behind that picture. So yeah, just different ways that you can arrange the picture on the page. Okay. Yeah, so let's get rid of that fish picture and then we'll be done, I believe. Okay. So yeah, I won't go too far into the making it totally perfect, but I just wanted to show you those kind of tools. All right, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.